Hello, my crypto buddies, and welcome back to Crypto Night. So, today we are going to have a look on Metaverse. Yes, it's a city blocks, it's a city property, real estate, NFT blocks within the metaverse, and this metaverse is called Metaverse. So, a land trading strategy game that pays to play. So, guys, this is a much awaited minting project, and whitelist sale is on 18 January, 10 p.m. UTC, and public sale on next day, that is 19th January, 10 p.m. UTC. So, these will be the blocks. These are the individual NFTs which will be minted on their website and looks like these. Collect, trade, and stake your city blocks to earn the MET token. So, guys, according to me, this is very unique and interesting project because of their artwork of the city and their functionality and utility. Overall, the good vibe, the interesting project, and quite different. And I think lots of going on in this. So let's get into it right away. So the mint 10,000 Genesis city blocks available to the mint on the Ethereum blockchain. Vault release, Metro Words vault release and staking enabled to begin vesting MET token. The reveal will be reveal the city blocks on the OpenSea and Metroverse website. MET token launch. Players can claim and use their MET for their staked city blocks. Mayors available for mint. Mayors, right? 1,000 Genesis Mayors available to mint on the Ethereum blockchain. And player versus player game release. They will also be releasing the player versus player game in the future. There's no, I mean, no details right now according, of the game, but they will be announced in the future. They are saying this in their roadmap. Mayors are introduced, adding players versus player experience to gameplay. So, guys, they have recently, I think today, only released their docs and overview. And let's quickly jump into their docs. So, this is a summary. So, Metroverse is a land trading strategy game that pays to play. Players strategically collect trade city blocks to grow their economy and earn MET in the game as an in-game currency. A collection of 10,000 unique city blocks make up the Metroverse on the Ethereum blockchain. Each city block is unique, populated with residential, commercial, industrial, and public buildings, and is represented by ERC-2721 non-fungible token. As an NFT, there will only be one of each city block minted, as they are nearly impossible to replicate. And these are the individual NFTs, which is very attractive, beautiful, and interesting. And these are the NFT scores, which will be, you will know further in this whitelist. So I'm sorry, this white paper docs. So players can collect multiple city blocks and build neighborhoods. Each block generates revenue in the form of MET tokens. The native currency through this, users are incentivized and strategically acquire and add additional blocks to their collection. As MET token can be utilized within the game's economy to improve their holdings and generate even more MET. So, guys, in-game token will be the MET, and there will be many utilization within the game uh, for the MET token from the MET token, and they will yet to release the MET token. I think they will release the MET token as per their announcement. They will release the MET token after few days of the minting. Metroverse is aimed at the diverse and passionate crypto and gaming communities, which span across the parts of the world and every demographic. As we enter the roaring 20s, we are well positioned to be interest to many potential players around the world. So that was a summary, guys. And let's dive into the blocks and main things. If you want to have a quick look on the vision, let me have a quick read for you. Our vision is to enable the next generation decentralized application by creating fun, innovative play to earn gaming experiences. Metaverse sits at the intersection of three markets, each of which has strong growth potential, and these are NFTs, gaming, and DeFi. Interesting. So, as they are saying, a perfect match of the project and team are excited to work with. So Metroverse is inspired by SimCity, an open-ended city-building game first released in the late 1980s. Our love for isometric design and the rise of play-to-earn games. So they themselves saying that this Metroverse game, this Metroverse project is, I mean. I'm not getting the word, inspired by the Sim City, and they created the similar project by like similar looking like Sim City. Great team. So as far as team, let me tell you guys, before the release of the docs, they haven't announced anything clear about the team, and many people was, not clear that why the team is not coming forward and announcing themselves, but they announced themselves in these docs. For example, a development team, OX Slice, Silicon Valley tech entrepreneur who loves creating things, 18 years of experience in various development and product management positions for Valley-based tech startups, spent the pandemic researching Ethereum, DeFi, and NFTs, founder of Metroverse. So this is the development team, design team, community. Okay. So yeah. So we have idea about the team now. So yeah. So let's go to the overview of this blocks. Metaverse will launch as a collection of 10,000 NFTs, each represented a city block. Each block is algorithmically generated and collection contains a mixture of building based on their rarity and score. The foundation of each city block is 8 by 8 grid. Each block is composed of 64 tiles that has either a building or pathway placed on it. Out of 64 tiles in every block, 15 tiles are always reserved for pathways, and the remaining 49 tiles are reserved for buildings. And in building, there can be n number of buildings. They explained in these, and they can be library, they can residential building, cafe. There can be, rocket launch site, which are the rarest of the buildings, and that can increase your score. So yeah. Some buildings like small houses and shops are fairly common and appear fairly often in city blocks, so those are common. Other like rocket launch sites are very rare and may appear in a few blocks, so you understand, right, what I was saying. So these are the block score. The total score of the city block score is calculated based on the score of buildings within it. The total block score is always 200 and 400, no less, no more. The block score is calculated by addition on the score and residential commercial industrial zones. For example, 51, 101, 108 add up 300. So I think you get some idea. So guys, I'm not reading all of this because they are going into details for the calculation of this score in the zones, pathway, building scores, neighborhood. So if you want to read that, you can come on their website and go to the docs and read it. If I read all, this will make the video very long and I think boring. So let's quickly jump onto the minting part and groundbreaker. So let me explain you what is a groundbreaker. So if you wanna get yourself a spot in the whitelist, which by the way I also want, I haven't whitelisted yet because I wasn't following their Discord. I mean I wasn't following their Discord from long back. I just joined the Discord I think 2 days back, and When you join the Discord, you can verify your wallet on this link. The link is metroverse.com/groundbreaker. You go there, you verify your wallet, and you earn yourself a groundbreaker's role in the Discord. That's a groundbreaker. So by becoming a groundbreaker, you will come one step closer to the white list, but that doesn't mean you get the white list. For getting the white list, you either be contributing quality conversations and good vibe and overall the same things with every Discord server, and they will, I mean, notice you and they will give you a whitelist spot eventually. And for a, I mean, other ways are there Twitter giveaways, which I will show you in a while. So let's go to the minting. So minting date is, guys, as I said earlier, 18 January 2020, the whitelist sale. Next day is a public sale, 19 January. Mint price will be 0.1 ETH. Max mints per wallet will be 2 blocks. I think two NFT, you can block 2 NFTs per wallet, and whitelist spots will be 5,000 if you are in the whitelist. So according to the Discord, they remain, I think they have 300 to 400 white spots remaining. So you can try that if you want to, I mean, join this project and mint this. Okay, royalties will be 5%, yes. So guys, let's move to the juicy part, and that is Amity token utility and in-game token utility. So Amity is the native utility token that fuels the Metroverse ecosystem, passively generated daily by each city block when staked. Amity is a standard ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, we already read about this previously. Okay, so the total score of the city block determines the amount of Amity token earned per day. For example, a block with a total score of 320 will generate 320 Amity per day. Higher block score equal to higher earnings. So for example, your block score is 320, then your Amity, you will get 320 MET tokens per day, not per month, per week, per day. So imagine, guys, the Amity price, I mean, in the future, it will increase up to $1. So you can imagine per day earning with your NFT by just holding your NFT, not selling it, and not about gaming part, just taking part. And this utility alone, grabbed my attention, and it's pretty interesting. Other than art and upcoming gaming thing, this functionality is pretty much motivating enough for many people, and I think it is really great, good. So as a utility token, you will use Amity to collect, trade, and grow their in-game assets. As the ecosystem develops, the first practical utility of the Amity token will be announced soon after the mint. So stay tuned. So guys, what are they saying? That they haven't announced the main utility of the token yet, and they will announce the utility first practical utility of the Amity token after the mint. So stay tuned. So that was not the only utility. They will announce the bigger utility, and I think better utility. So they are keeping many surprises, and I hope the good surprises. Nice. So yeah, we already covered the utility tokens. Staking, I think it will be same. Yeah. Due to the unique nature of NFTs, investors and collectors generally prefer to hodl and speculate. NFT staking opens up a new opportunity for them to gamify their assets, which could potentially attract more people to participate and drive up the market demand for stakeable NFTs. Yeah, as I said you earlier, this is a big positive uh, point of this NFT project. So let's quickly go to the website in case we are missing anything. Let's Okay, we already covered this. Let's go to the overview. So these will be the art, guys. I think very colorful, interesting. This in art itself is looking pretty interesting. It will really grab lots of attention, and I think already lots of people are looking forward to it. These are the NFTs. These are the scores. Okay, so let's move to their Twitter. So let's read what's going on, latest going on the Twitter. Netizens, so they call their community netizens. As we approach mint day, everything is falling into place beautifully. We are excited to announce that all 10,000 NFT CD blocks will be available in 4K resolution. How much detail can you see at 4K? A bicyclist on the street, here's a preview. Okay, let me click on this picture. And okay, bicyclist. Yeah, we can see this here is ego. So pictures are in 4K resolution and very high quality uh, blocks, pictures, whatever you say them, and interesting. I mean, these will be in 4K resolutions. Good. So a quick tip, guys, if you want to get the whitelist spot, in my opinion, I think you should follow them on the Twitter, and I mean they regularly post give I mean whitelist giveaway related post. For example, this one. So let's go to the memory lane. Out of 40 commercial buildings, this one of the was the first one to be designed. Can you guess what type of commercial building this is? As usual, a correct answer would get you a spot on the whitelist. So for example, this one. I don't know in future they will post these kind of giveaway, but this will be another way to get into the white list. And guys, I think we have already covered all of the information of this project, and that's it. I don't have anything to say. So please smash the like button if you think I'm giving any value in this video, guys. And guys, you are not subscribing, and many viewers are watching, but very few are subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be making better videos in the future, better value in the future, and by liking and subscribing really support the channel, and I think it support me. So guys, thank you.